Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you are seeking a job in companies like TCS and Wipro, I'm going to share with you two new job opportunities for which you can apply. Make sure you check the description for all the links. I am going to share everything about eligibility criteria, qualification, how the test is going to happen. Every detail is going to share in this video, so make sure you watch this video till the end. So let's talk about the first opening, which is in TCS. This job is posted on their official website, and the registration ends on 7th of January 2022, and test date will be 26th January, and interview dates will be scheduled after once you have done the test. Let's see who are eligible and what is the test pattern. First, if you are from arts, commerce, and science graduates from 2022 year of passing, you can apply for this job. Make sure you registered before 7th of January. So we'll see who are eligible for this job. So if you are graduating from 2022, like BCom, BA, BF, BBI, BBC, and BCA, BCS, BPharm, MPharm, you can apply for this job. And when you are giving your exam, like you are appearing for exam, there should be no active backlogs. If you are having gaps, like in all over academics, if you are having gap more than 2 years, you are not eligible. And candidates should not have any extended education in their highest qualification. Candidates should be comfortable working in the dynamic work environment, rotational shifts like night shifts depending on project requirements. And next is very important, in TCS every round is elimination round, so make sure you are providing all your information is true. If they find you are faking anything, they will just disqualify you then and there. Let's see test pattern. So the first round will be aptitude test, in that you will get 65 minutes to solve 80 questions, 80, and sections will be numerical, verbal, reasoning, and these three are the sections, and you will get 80 questions and you have to solve that 80 questions in 65 minutes. If you want to apply for this job, make sure you check the description. I will put this link in the description. You can apply. Make sure you apply before 7th of January, okay? So the next job opportunity is from Wipro website, like official website. And if you are passing out from 2020 and already passed out from 2020 and 2021, you are eligible. This is basically a Wipro's Elite National Talent Hunt. You can register before 31st of January 2022. All the assessment and interview process will be online. And let's see what is the qualification. So if you have done BE, BTech or ME, MTech, you are eligible. If you have 60% or more than 60% throughout your academics, like 10th, 12th, and graduation, you are eligible. So these are the two conditions. They have also mentioned here is age limit. Like if you are below 25, you can apply, or you are below 25 or 25, you can apply. Let's see what is the evaluation process. First, you have to register from this website. I will put this website link in the description. And once you are registered and you are eligible, then you will get the assessment link. Once you complete this assessment and you are passed, then they will send you a business discussion mail. And once you are done with all three steps, you will get your offer letter and your place. And here they have also mentioned about compensation flow. So you can just pause the video and read more about compensation. I'm again saying all the links will be description. Make sure you check the description for application. Thank you.